Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying your iPhone supports app lock and that biometrics or a secure passcode are set. Once done, go directly to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select App Lock. You need Face ID or a passcode active because App Lock ties app access to those credentials. Tap the toggle next to App Lock to enable it and immediately choose which apps you want protected. This gets the core security in place so you can configure options next. Once App Lock is enabled, you'll pick the apps to protect. Start with banking, email, messages, and any app with personal data. Next, set the unlock timeout. Choose immediate lock, 1 minute, or longer based on convenience versus security. Make sure to adjust require after so apps relock after the chosen interval. Also, decide whether notifications, widgets, or Siri should be limited when an app is locked. These settings reduce data exposure while preserving usability. Finish by testing every locked app. Open it, then make sure you're prompted for Face ID or the passcode. If something doesn't prompt, reboot your iPhone and re-enable App Lock for that app. Many issues clear after a restart. Make sure App Store updates are current because OS bugs can affect behavior. If problems persist, temporarily disable and reconfigure App Lock and check privacy settings for that specific app. This completes setup and gives you one reliable troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.